Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another empowering episode of The Path to Wealth. Today, we'll be diving deep into the secrets of achieving financial abundance. Get ready for an enlightening journey that will transform your mindset and set you on the path to riches. Being rich is not a matter of luck. It's a matter of strategy, mindset, and perseverance. In the style of legendary financial gurus, we'll explore the mindset and principles that have propelled countless individuals to great wealth. So, let's get started. Step 1. Shift your mindset. To embark on the journey to wealth, we must first cultivate a mindset of abundance. This means rejecting limiting beliefs about money and embracing the idea that wealth is attainable for anyone willing to work for it. Let go of the scarcity mindset and surround yourself with positive influences that encourage growth and prosperity. Step 2. Educate yourself. Knowledge is the foundation of wealth creation. Take the time to educate yourself on various investment strategies, personal finance management, and the principles of wealth accumulation. Immerse yourself in books, seminars, and podcasts that provide valuable insights from successful individuals who have achieved financial independence. Step 3. Build multiple streams of income. Relying on a single source of income is a risky proposition. To achieve true financial abundance, we must diversify our earnings. Explore different avenues such as investments, real estate, entrepreneurship, and passive income opportunities. By developing multiple streams of income, we create a safety net that allows us to thrive even in challenging times. Step 4. Embrace calculated risks. Wealth creation often involves taking calculated risks. In the pursuit of financial abundance, we must develop financial intelligence. This means understanding the potential risks and rewards associated with different investment opportunities. Conduct thorough research, seek advice from experts, and make informed decisions based on a clear understanding of the potential outcomes. Step 5. Overcome obstacles and persevere. The path to wealth is not without its obstacles. Challenges, setbacks, and failures are an inevitable part of the journey. However, it is our ability to overcome these obstacles and persevere that separates the successful from the rest. Embrace failures as opportunities to learn and grow. Develop resilience, tenacity, and an unwavering belief in your own abilities. Step 6. Leverage the power of assets. To truly build wealth, we must understand the power of assets. Assets are the key to creating long-term financial stability. Invest in assets that appreciate over time, such as real estate, stocks, and businesses. Focus on building a portfolio of income-generating assets that work for you even when you are not actively involved. Step 7. Master the art of cash flow. Cash flow is the lifeblood of wealth creation. Learn to manage your cash flow effectively by tracking your income and expenses, budgeting wisely, and eliminating unnecessary expenses. Strive to increase your cash flow by focusing on income-generating activities and minimizing liabilities. Step 8. Continuously learn and adapt. The world of finance is constantly evolving. To stay ahead, commit yourself to lifelong learning. Stay updated on market trends, investment strategies, and emerging opportunities. Be open to adapting your approach as circumstances change and seize new opportunities as they arise. Step 9. Give back and share your success. As you achieve financial abundance, remember the importance of giving back. Share your knowledge, resources, and success with others. Make a positive impact on your community and contribute to causes that align with your values. True wealth is not just about personal gain, but about making a difference in the lives of others. Step 10. Enjoy the journey. While the pursuit of wealth is important, don't forget to enjoy the journey along the way. Take time to celebrate your successes, cherish your relationships, and prioritize your well-being. Remember, wealth is not just about money. It's about living a fulfilling and balanced life. And there you have it, the step-by-step guide to achieving financial abundance, inspired by the teachings of the great financial minds. Remember, it's not just about the destination. It's about the mindset and strategies we adopt along the way. Stay committed, be adaptable, and believe in your own potential. Together, we can unlock the doors to a brighter and wealthier future. Thank you for joining us on this empowering journey. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Until next time, stay motivated and continue on the path to your financial dreams.